What's up, guys? This is Flavio from FL Pool Services, and today we are going to learn how to measure the calcium hardness from the pool. First step is to fill up halfway, 25 ml. There you go. Next, we are going to use 20 drops of the reagent number 10, calcium buffer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we are going to use 5 drops on the reagent number 11. It doesn't have a label due to the use, so we don't have anymore, but it's number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix it up. This is the color that we are looking for. So the third step is reagent number 12. So each drop represents 10 parts per million. So I like always to start with the 20 because the perfect reading is between 300 to up to 400. I don't like to go over 400. So let's try that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's almost changed colors, but not yet. That's 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. The color change. So the reading of calcium hardness of this pool is 250 parts per million. So every pool is different, so that's why it's always important to take the readings. Even though the pool looks really nice, looks perfect, so the perfect reading is gonna be, when you take the measurements and then you do what you have to do. In this case, I have to add about 5 pounds of calcium to bring this pool up to the proper level. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.